it up, it's over. You wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today we are going to be making a Rapunzel-inspired workout shirt and a Rapunzel-inspired koozie, okay? And if you want to know my favorite place to get workout shirts, check out the video where I debut this and all the other Disney Princess-inspired workout shirts that I'm going to be wearing this season. In my own life, not necessarily on my YouTube channel, but you might sneak peek them on my Instagram or, I don't know, in my stories, wherever else I choose to show you that I actually am starting to work out. It's kind of cool. So today, let's talk about the shirt and the koozie, so let's get going. On AuntieTay.com, and we are downloading our Rapunzel Svg for this craft. This is going to be a little sneak peek to what our members get and behind the scenes of our Disney SVGs, so enjoy the ride. If you want to become a member, just go over to AuntieTay.com, click over here, and it will take you to sign up. We have a crafting community for only $8 a month, and you get access to a ton of these fun things. This Rapunzel SVG is actually commercial use, so I'm so excited to be showing you how to use it, not only in Silhouette Studio, but also in Cricut Design Space. So we're just gonna click on Disney and Characters right here, and we are going to go to Princesses. Under Princesses, there is all the different characters and their inspired SVG bundles. And when you get to the bottom of the page, we have a personal use category. Anything under here is all personal use SVGs, super fun things we create or find that we think are just so fun for the Disney community, but you cannot sell with these. No matter who you are, no matter what you are, you can't sell with these. But up here, if you have our commercial use membership, you can sell with these. However, if you just have our crafting membership, you can use any of these as much as you want for personal use, for gifts, for all the fun things. Okay, so for this craft, we are going over to Rapunzel. I'm gonna show you downloading one of these bundles. It works the same no matter what file you're using, so if you're trying to do another craft, this will be helpful for you as well. So we're using the Living My Dreams for the koozie and the Lost Princess Lanterns & Co. for the shirt. So I'm just going to one-click download, and this is gonna go into our downloads. Now, our downloaded files do come as zipped files, so it's going to say Tangled Zipped, and I'm just going to double click this, and it's going to open up as a file. Now, they will open up as individual SVGs. They are a bundle, but that just means that you downloaded them in one click, and you have all of these. So in this bundle, we have her crown, a floral print and cut, which we love to do, and if you want to see me do the crown with the print and cut flowers, I'll probably be doing a video on all of them, because we actually have Ariel's crown, we have all of their crowns, but they're not their actual crowns, they're inspired by their crowns, so they are able to be used for selling rights. We have the Snuggly Duckling, her crown completely put together for print and cut, a very cute Tangled with a hair. This is the one we're using for our koozie today. This one's the one we're using for our shirt, and a few other SVGs that are just so fun that you can use. Okay, so now we're going to put them into Silhouette Studio. If you don't have, or if you want to know more about this, I have a video specifically on how to use our SVGs with Silhouette Studio, which explains why some people have the access to put their SVGs in Silhouette Studio and some people don't. I highly request watching that if you're a Silhouette user. So we're gonna do this one first just because it's so fast and easy. You basically just drag and drop, resize to what you want, ungroup it, and move your files. We would cut yellow, and then we'd cut pink, and we are good to go. I'm just gonna go in and group these together just to keep them together. Again, I'm going through this part really quickly because I have a video specifically on how to do this. All right, are you guys ready for Cricuts? All right, so now we're in a new project on Cricut. We're just gonna click upload. We're gonna click upload image. We're going to click browse. We're gonna go to our downloads. We're going to go to Tangled Zip, find the one we want, click open, and save. And now we have it. We can click it, insert our image, and our image is ready to go. So I can ungroup this, and again, design space is a little different, so I don't need to move anything around. I'd click make it, and then I have an active Christmas craft on this video, I was making before this video. So let's click make it, and here we'd have our yellow and our pink. Obviously we would resize it. So that is specifically how we will upload these. We will want to resize these for the Koozie, so I like my Koozie sizes to be around 4 inches. But you can really, depending on what size Koozie you're making, you can resize it, or if you're putting this on the shirt, you can also do that. Let's go ahead and upload the other one as well, which would be the Lost Princess Lantern Co. Love this design, and we're going to insert that, and I would resize this to about 10 inches because that is how big I typically make my shirts for grown women. All right, for our Rapunzel inspired Koozie, I'm going to be using one of our patterned HTVs from shopauntitay.com. This is specifically a pattern I designed around Rapunzel to be inspired by her. And then we're also using an SVG from my member site, auntietay.com. This is the Living My Dreams SVG with the little floating lanterns. We have a lot of different Tangled inspired SVGs that you can use for projects, and as well as selling things with that are not copyright infringement. So check that out if you're interested in selling your crafts with Disney inspired sayings and lots of fun things. If you want a better tutorial on exactly what I'm doing in this part of the video, I have a video called the No Sew Starbucks Koozie. So check out that video if you want to know more details on exactly how I do this step.
Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's all